Hello friends, welcome to another Excel tutorial. Today we will dive into the powerful world of conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Conditional formatting allows us to visually highlight and emphasize data based on specific conditions or rules. Let's explore its functionalities. Let's say we have a dataset of sales figures and we want to highlight cells that exceed a certain threshold. To apply conditional formatting, select the range of cells you want to format. Next, navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Under the Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting to reveal a range of formatting options. A drop-down menu appears with various formatting options. Let's start with the most commonly used option, Highlight Cells Rules. Here, you can choose from various formatting rules such as greater than, less than, between, equal to, and more. I select greater than from the sub-menu. Enter the threshold value. I enter 400. Choose a formatting style. You can choose one of the given options. Or you can custom the style by choosing Custom Format option. I choose the first option and click OK. And just like that, Excel highlights the cells that exceed the specified threshold. Another useful option is Top-Bottom Rules. Select the range of cells. Next, navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Click on Conditional Formatting. Here you can highlight the top or bottom and values in a range. For example, selecting top 10 items allows you to highlight the top 10 values in a range. You can customize the number of items to highlight and choose a formatting style. Excel will then highlight the specified number of top items based on your criteria. There are just a few examples of how conditional formatting can be used to make your data more visually appealing and easier to interpret. Conditional formatting makes it easy to spot trends, outliers, and important data points at a glance. Clear rules. If you want to remove conditional formatting, go to Conditional Formatting, select Clear Rules, select Clear Rules from selected cells, or Clear Rules from entire sheet, whatever you want. And that's it. That's it for this lesson on conditional formatting in Excel. Stay tuned for more Excel tutorials. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for updates.